Today, we are excited to bring you some amazing inventions. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Polaris Dawn. Polaris Dawn is the first mission of the Polaris program, led by Jared Isaacman aboard SpaceX's Crew Dragon. Scheduled for 2024, it aims to reach the highest Earth orbit since Apollo, conduct the first commercial spacewalk, and study human health in space. The 5-day mission will also test SpaceX's new EVA suits and advance future space exploration through cutting-edge scientific experiments and technological innovation. SAE High Altitude Platform System, HAPS. The SAE High Altitude Platform System, HAPS, is a solar-powered airship designed to operate in the stratosphere between 60,000 and 65,000 feet. Developed by SAE, an aerospace company founded in 2014, the platform aims to provide extended-duration flights lasting from months to a year, delivering services such as high-speed internet connectivity and Earth observation. In 2021, SAE's HAPS achieved a flight reaching 64,600 feet, demonstrating its capability to maintain LTE data connections over distances exceeding 140 kilometers. In October 2024, SAE partnered with NASA and the U.S. Geological Survey to enhance environmental monitoring and climate data collection from the stratosphere. Poodoo MT1. The Poodoo MT1 is an advanced AI-powered robotic sweeper designed for large-scale cleaning in spaces like warehouses and factories. It uses smart sensors and deep learning to identify and remove various types of debris, from fine dust to larger objects. With a 45Ah battery, it offers up to 6 hours of autonomous operation, efficient navigation through narrow areas, and easy maintenance with a modular design for quick part replacement. Humane AI Pin. The Humane AI Pin was a wearable device introduced in 2024 designed to serve as an intelligent, voice-activated companion, aiming to reduce reliance on traditional screens. Priced at $699 with a $24 monthly subscription, it featured an AI voice assistant and a laser-projected display. However, due to issues like overheating and limited functionality, the product faced significant criticism. In February 2025, Humane announced the discontinuation of the AI Pin and its acquisition by HP Incorporation for $116 million. Existing devices will cease to function after February 28, 2025. Magic Leap 2. The Magic Leap 2 is an advanced augmented reality (AR) headset designed for enterprise applications. It features industry-leading optics with up to a 70 degrees diagonal field of view, providing an immersive AR experience. The device introduces dynamic dimming capabilities, allowing it to adapt to various lighting conditions, including bright environments. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, with computing and battery components housed in a separate compute pack to reduce head-mounted weight. The Magic Leap 2 is powered by an AMD quad-core Zen 2X86 CPU and offers a resolution of 1440 by 1760 pixels per eye. It supports multi-user functionality, enabling collaborative work across different locations. The device is available for purchase through select enterprise channels. Wondercraft. Wondercraft is a French company specializing in advanced exoskeleton technology to assist individuals with mobility impairments. Their flagship product, the Atalanta X, is a self-balancing, hands-free exoskeleton designed for rehabilitation purposes. It features 12 motors, including powered ankle mechanisms, to mimic a natural human gait. In 2024, the Atalanta X received FDA clearance for use in patients with spinal cord injuries from T5 to L5. Gadget X. The Gadget X is a cutting-edge drone designed for efficient delivery of lab samples and medical supplies. With a range of up to 120 kilometers, it operates in urban and rural areas, even in adverse weather. Its innovative docking system allows deliveries to windows or balconies. Equipped with a digital parachute for safety, the drone promotes sustainability by using renewable energy and is already deployed across 190 routes in Europe. Pulsefire LRT. The Pulsefire LRT is a handheld flamethrower designed by Exothermic Technologies for controlled burns, land management, and recreational use. It features a rechargeable battery and an on-demand ignition system, eliminating the need for an open flame pilot torch. The device delivers a controlled 25-foot stream of fire and has a safety nozzle to prevent fuel and flames from dripping back toward the user. The Pulsefire LRT offers an efficient, safe, and versatile solution for fire applications. Otter OT4. The Otter OT4 is an innovative electric water bike that combines the thrill of cycling with the tranquility of water exploration. Designed for eco-conscious adventurers, it features a lightweight aluminum frame, ergonomic seats, and adjustable pedals to ensure a comfortable and efficient ride. The Otter OT4 is powered by a 48V 34Ah lithium-ion battery, providing up to 20 kilometers of range at speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour. Its user-friendly design includes launch wheels for easy water entry and a return home mode that activates when the battery is low, ensuring you never get stranded. Whether you're seeking low-impact fitness training or a new way to explore local waterways, the Otter OT4 offers a sustainable and enjoyable solution. Gyroball. The Gyroball is a self-balancing, spherical electric rideable designed for urban commuting and personal transport. Weighing approximately 9.5 kilograms, 20 pounds, and measuring 25.4 centimeters, 10 inches, in diameter, it offers a compact and portable solution for short-distance travel. The device features retractable footplates that extend at the touch of a button, providing a comfortable platform for riders. Powered by a 500W electric motor, the Gyroball can reach speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, 12.4 miles per hour, and offers a range of up to 14 miles, 22.5 kilometers, on a single charge. Its intuitive self-balancing technology makes it easy to learn and ride, with most users mastering it in about 10 minutes. The Gyroball is designed to support riders up to 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, and includes a built-in handle for easy portability. It is available for purchase through various retailers and online platforms. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.